Here's how to make the easiest hot chicken wing. Rinse your chicken wings in cold water, pat dry with a paper towel. Make sure your oil is hot. Use vegetable, canola, or peanut oil. Carefully and slowly add the chicken wings to the oil one by one. Drop close to the surface of the oil to avoid splashes. Cook until they're brown and crispy, about 15 minutes. Use a slotted spoon or a skimmer to remove them from the hot oil. Make the sauce using a 1:2 ratio of butter to hot sauce. Here we're using 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1 cup of hot sauce. Pour the sauce over the chicken wings while they're still hot. Use tongs to make sure they're fully coated. They are ready to serve. Next, we'll learn how to get your celery sticks extra crispy before serving. For extra crispiness, place the celery stalks in cold water in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. Here you have it. Now you know how to make your celery sticks look fresh and crisp when you cook chicken wings at home.